Jumbo, fellow dreamers. In today's video, we are all about the steals and deals for Mother's Day. I'm excited to share these things with you. We are really digging into eBay today, so let's get started. So eBay has kind of corralled all of their Mother's Day types of items into one area, and I'll link all these below so you can find them quickly because Mother's Day is coming up rather soon. They have lots of different items that are all like under $5, which is a pretty good deal. Freshwater pearls for $3.99. They have cubic zirconia earrings for $3.49. I really liked these turquoise dangle earrings at the bottom of that picture there for $4.33. Really nicely priced items. And you know what? If you don't buy these for Mother's Day, get them for like Christmas and put them in stockings or something like that. I don't know, just an idea. They also have some memory lockets for $4.99. Really cute. I liked those a lot. I also liked that dangle bracelet for $5.29. In addition to that, they also have really cute moon and heart pendants for mom or daughter or grandmother. $1.61 with free shipping. Now, these won't arrive by Mother's Day. It's estimated to arrive sometime between now and June. So be careful with that. Just kind of look and see when these things are estimated to arrive, because that's kind of important when you're searching on here. So they also have some red hot steals as well. Spend $20 and save $5 on all of their red hot items. So you'd have to use the code CFashion5 at checkout, but they have tons of name brand things, Ray-Ban, Michael Kors, Vera Bradley, all sorts of items. So these are the little more high-end types of items, but really awesome deals. Fossil, Casio watches, shoes, clothes, all sorts of things, but you have to spend $20 to save $5, but you do get free shipping on top of that, which is great. So make sure you use the code CFashion5 at checkout. And they have things like perfume. I mean, a whole bunch of different items. So this is a really great thing to jump on if you are in the market for something a little more high-end and you want to save a couple bucks in the process. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily Dreamland video. Kiss someone you love today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao!